This house has fast access towards Alabang and Skyway. We're touring this inviting brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale here in BF Homes, Las Piñas City. It's located in Las Piñas but it's already bordering Muntinlupa and Parañaque, and it's just 5 minutes away from Alabang Zapote Road, giving you fast access towards the main commercial areas of Alabang such as Madrigal Business Park, and giving you access towards Skyway and South Luzon Expressway as well. I'm Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty, and join us as we begin this tour. This property has a total floor area of about 290 square meters across 3 levels on a 210 square meter lot. Another great aspect of this property is that it's located in such a peaceful community. Now let's go. You have a generous space for parking for 3 large vehicles here. The parking area with a wooden design for the ceiling. It feels very elegant and private as well. Now on this side, you have a landscape area at the side of the house. You have pavers here and you can walk all around the property. And here we are at your main door. Now welcome to your beautiful home. You have your living and dining space upon entering the property. Your living space is positioned at the front corner of the property. Your dining space serves as the central hub of the amenity level. And on this side, you have your modern kitchen. Your kitchen has a clean aesthetic with the light-colored cabinetry, as well as built-in kitchen appliances such as an oven, cooktop, range hood, microwave, and an LG branded refrigerator. You have a large picture window here, giving you plenty of ventilation over the sink space, and you can imagine preparing meals here while having a view of your main amenity area. Now from here, let's take a look at the auxiliary space. You have a swinging door here because most of the time as you're going in and out of this space, sometimes you might be carrying some food. You have an additional range hood and cooktop here as well. And then you have a door leading to the side of the house. Now you can walk all around the property. You have water storage here, care of a cistern here. And then this is also where you can potentially hang clothes. And then on this side, you have your staff room, as well as a washing machine and dryer, which is already included in the property. So these are Panasonic branded, and that's one less thing that you have to worry about for this brand new home. And now let's head on back. Now this property also has a powder room, and an additional great feature for this property is that you have plenty of privacy from the street, so there's no aspect of the main amenity areas that can be viewed by people who are walking or crossing at the front of the house. Let's head on up. A defining feature of this property are the large windows for all 3 levels beside the staircase. So you have all that natural light as you go in and out of the rooms, and there's an open feel as well. And now let's go through the 3 rooms here at the second level. Let's go. So this can be considered the primary room. And you can see that it spans the entire front of the second level of the house. You have cove lighting here. You can have your bed on this side, television set on the other side. This property already has CCTV cameras as well, and Daikin split type air conditioning units for all 5 rooms and the amenity area. You have built-in storage as well, and a modern bathroom on this side. You have a lighted mirror as well, and indirect lighting to give a more modern feel for the space. And now it's time to take a look at the second bedroom. It's positioned at the middle part of the floor layout, and you have an area here where you can have your bed and television set, and then there's a separate area here for the cabinetry. And your ensuite bathroom. And this is a particularly spacious bathroom. And that's also important, especially if you have adult or teenage children already living in the home with you. And here we are at your third bedroom. Now this is facing the east side of the property, and what's nice about this particular room is you can appreciate the ceiling height as well. You have a shadow line design as well for the ceiling, and you have a provision for an additional light fixture after purchasing the property. You have cabinetry as well, and of course your ensuite bathroom. Now this is an excellent property for families who are looking to upgrade from a townhome or a condo. This is also located in a gated village, and you have nearby schools and commercial areas to this home as well. Now let's head on over towards your third level. Welcome to the third level of this home, and it's time to take a look at your fourth room. Now from this vantage point, you can already see some buildings at the Alabang Zapote area. So that's how near this property is. In addition, you have enough space here if you'd like to use this as a home office or even an entertainment room. Okay, and it also has an ensuite bathroom right here. So this bathroom also has a lighted mirror as well, and darker tiles for a more masculine feel for this particular room. And here we are at your fifth room. Now, in terms of the shape of the room, it's very easy to organize furniture. You can have a single or even a semi-double bed for this room. There's a large wide window on this side for ventilation and lighting, recessed cabinetry, an air conditioning unit, and another great feature for this property I'd like to add is its proximity to Alabang Town Center and Molito Lifestyle Center. So there are some great restaurants and of course grocery centers near this home, so you have no problem in terms of lifestyle choices. And here we are for your ensuite bathroom for the fifth room. So this property has a total of 6 bathrooms, if you include the staff bathroom as well. Okay, now let's cap off the tour by taking a look once again at this property's modern facade. you for joining us in this tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, you can contact us through our details in the description below. You can also send us a message through Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature to our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.